In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change home environment in your Meta Quest or Oculus Quest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The home environment is where you will locate yourself when you are on the home screen of the Oculus Quest 3. And you can change not only the home environment itself, but also the skybox attached to that environment. So this is an option that's going to be built into the Oculus Quest 3. You don't have to download any additional applications or connect it to your PC. Open the settings. So in the quick settings menu, you will have the main settings option at the top right. And then on the actual settings page itself, you will have environment setup as a category. Choose environment setup. And now you will find virtual environment. So this is how you can customize the home environment associated to your Oculus Quest 3 headset. Inside of virtual environment, you will see here. So you will have a bunch of options. You can download any of these and apply them right away to your Oculus Quest. So when you hover over any of them, you can see the option to apply, install, and use. You will also have custom skybox view at the top, which I'm going to talk about later. So all that you have to do is hover over any of these. You will see the apply prompt appear. You choose that option, wait for it to install if needed, and it is going to be applied right away. So you will be able to look around on the environment and you should see the changes take effect right away. So you don't even have to restart your headset or back out of this menu. You will see the changes in real time. If you go over to custom skybox view at the top, then you will be able to choose the actual skybox. So this feature is going to work with some environments, not all of them. But if you choose one that is compatible, you will be able to select from any of the pre-existing skyboxes. So some of these are going to be during the day, some of these are going to be during the night, where you have this starry, almost galaxy view of the sky. Some of them are going to be more gloomy, and if you want to, you can also choose a custom image that you have downloaded. So choose whichever option you prefer, and the changes will be applied instantly. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.